Yeah, so hi everybody, welcome back. Thanks everybody for watching. Thanks for tuning in. If you're new, my name is Mark, and if you'd like to hit that subscribe button for me, please, that would go a long way. Thank you. So guys, I'm back again, and I've teamed up with Military First. So I want to say a big thank you to them. They've sent me out a clothing bundle because I need new clothes, and they've also sent me out an amazing tent, amazing stats. I just can't get over the stats, and I can't get over why so many people don't know about this tent. But anyways, we'll certainly, I'm going to put it through its paces and then give it away to one of you. So I'm going to test it, and then one of you guys is going to win it. It'll be an easy draw to get in. So thanks again to the team at Military First and all the guys for all your help and all that, and helping me pick the stuff and deciding on what gear to use, you know. So yeah, so let's get into it now. The competition, I have set up a membership. You can join as a membership for as little as a price of coffee, €3 a month, and that will go back into the channel. I'll be able to do other journeys and basically bring better content. So if you want to join, there's a silver, bronze and gold. Thanks to all the guys, the golds, the silvers and the bronze, who already subscribed and joined the bunch. There's lots of perks and different perks, including camp out with me and some bushcraft skill day courses and so on. And yeah, so anyways, let's get on with this unboxing. So what happened to me yesterday is I shot a video. I shot the first half of it, and I realised the sound wasn't turned on one of the mics, so I have to do it again. So I'd opened some of the stuff anyway. Some of you who are more Hawkeye will realise. So it's not a complete unboxing, the first unboxing, but I suppose it is. Right, so the first thing here that I'm taking out is some I need new attire, gloves, clobber, apparel, what else, kit. And for me, clothing is kit. I don't see it as clothing, I see it as a tactical kit, and provides you with warmth, with comfort around the woodlands, around the workplace. It'll keep you dry, it will keep you wicked sweat off you, it will keep you warm, and just all by layering up and the right clothes, you have things don't go wrong usually unless you get wet. So what is this bundle of clothes that I picked out is that specifically, and I've also picked it out for going to Achill. We were going to Achill, but the weather was just raining solid for 3 days, and not on the bikes. If we had a car, it would be different. Anyway, so these were the clothes that I put together for a trip to Achill. Yeah, so these are the Helican Tex Pilgrim pants. And I have the green and black ones that I wear all the time. They're actually in the wash now, the green and black ones. And I rented them in black because I want to be able to wear them around urban as well, you know. So I've done a video just on these. These are amazing. They've got lots of pockets, lots of features, lots of comfort, and double seats on the pants. You can wax them, double knee pads as well. So you can really get down and dirty in this. These have become my these pilgrim pants, my green ones. The first trousers I go to, they're my go-to trousers. So now I have two pairs of go-to trousers. So I'm delighted with these. They have other super pockets here. They'll fit your wallet, your phone. They're just full of features. That's what I'll leave on that. Right, so they're the Helican Tex Pilgrim pants, and they're absolutely amazing. What else have we put in there? So I wanted to get a jacket just more casual then, but a bit, like I say, I wanted to wear it around urban. And Military Force have some super looking cool clothes, don't they? Like, you can get away with all their clothes on any high street, you know, wearing their clothes. You want to look smart, you know, in your goods. So I got one of these. It's a short jacket. It's Pentagon. The black jacket I wear all the time for the last 2 years. Incidentally, my first pilgrim pants are 2 years old. there's still lots of time left in those. It's still another 5 years left in those. So the Pentagon jacket, I still have it. I got a little cut on it and a burn on it. But these things happen out in the outdoors. So this is Pentagon, so I know it to be good quality. So I got this, and I just went for a brighter colour. I usually go for darker colours. So that's kind of like, it's meant to be a cinder grey, but it looks more like a light coyote. Yeah, so a nice jacket. I wanted a middle layer, and a breathable middle layer, and something warm. So I went for the Alpinus. Alpinus is a really good brand. This is called the Bellagio. It's breathable again. It's a mix of polyester and cotton and elasticine, so it'll keep me warm and it'll breathe. So a nice sweatshirt like that. A merino wool hat. It's actually a mix of merino wool and other wools. Maybe it's acrylic, but it's double lined, and it's actually a Helican Tex. It's from the bushcraft line. So are those trousers, the bushcraft line, and which I've learned over the last few years. It's bulletproof, super cold. Oh yeah, and then I said right for rain. This is an Alpinus rain jacket, breathable, multi-layered, breathable. The thing I love about this, you've got the holes under the arms for ventilation. It's cuffs for there, yeah, brilliant, because you always need them. Strings you can cinch down your hood, and they're on the back, and then it has two pockets, and then it's just a membrane between that. So that's going to, and look at this. Look how small and a little room it takes up, and I don't think it's much more than 300 or 400 grams maybe. I'll put links to all of this individual items down below, so you can have a closer look at the specs and the stats and all. Yeah, I've got two. These are Alpinus again. 2 pairs of merino wool socks, breathable, antibacterial properties, all of that kind of stuff. Keep your feet good, you know. Very important. Keep your feet in top shape. Keep them like not sweating and not cotton socks or anything, and just keep them aired, and that's the trick to it, you know. Keep your body, everything aired, keep everything dry and clean. Right, so here's the thing, just drum roll. What we've been waiting for. This is the tent that's up for grabs. I'll give you a little closer look. Yeah, it's 5,000 hydrostatic head on it. It's 2.55 kilos. It looks standard for a trekking tent, around 2.5 kilos. It's a 2-person. It's got it's stand alone. So this is a beach tent then. Yeah. So it's a trekking tent, but I have a standalone tent, freestanding tent, you know. And I'll put some pictures up of it. It's got doors on either side, I think. I'm pretty sure it has got doors on either side. Yeah, nice packaging, nice bag. Let me see. I don't know how more people haven't been talking about this tent. You know, maybe they're only a newish company. That's Dyneema cord. It's good. The fabrics in here feel quality. I don't want to take it all out at the moment, yeah. But I will. I'll do another video on having a closer look at this, yeah, and I'll pop it up. I might just, if it doesn't rain, it's to rain today. If it doesn't rain today, I might pop up to the cliffs and do that. Cliffs of Howth. Yeah, so there we are, right? So a big thanks to, this is a really great prize. A big thanks to the team at Military Force again for this. So how can you enter? I want to do something different. I want you to comment, but I want you to comment and tell me where you're living. Yeah, tell me where you're tuning in from. I don't really look at the numbers on the stats much, but every now and then I go in and look at the geographics of the people who are tuning in. And recently there, over 40% of my views was coming from USA and England and the UK. So I'm delighted with that, because it used to be 95% of all my Irish comrades. So I'm delighted with that. So keep subscribing, Irish and expats and all around the world, if you like what I'm doing. Thank you as well. Much love and peace for subscribing. So yeah, so comment, say right, so comment, what would we say? Yeah, so say greetings from, okay, if you're from Dublin, greetings from Cabra in Dublin, yeah? Let us know where you're from. If you're from Walkinstown, Ballyferma, Artown, Beaumont, yeah? And just say military force then, great equipment, yeah? And greetings from USA, Tucson. I know there's a chap there, Sean, is in Tucson. He's watching me. There's a fella in Belgium. Yeah, I have a good few country lists as well. There's about 20 countries that are tuning in, so that's great. Germany as well. So yeah, so just tell me where you are from and say military first, and you're in the competition. I give everyone a ticket number, and then I use a randomised app, and we do that live out on a video. So you'll see me doing the draw live, and wherever numbers are, so the number of the ticket you get, that comes out, you're winning this. Yeah, if you're in Dublin, you can pick her up, save me posting it, but if you're not in Dublin, we will post it. And if you're in the UK, we will post it. USA, yeah, I'll put that on the line as well, that we will post it. We'll organise something anyway, yeah? So, okay, so thanks everybody for tuning in. Great prize. So, best of luck everybody. I love meeting the people. The last person I met who won the Matilda, he was delighted with him. Jim, how are you, Jim? And he was so happy. He was like a child on Christmas Day when I was giving it to him. So if I can meet you, then that's brilliant. That's even better, yeah. Anyways, I'm waffling on. Thanks everyone kindly for watching and tuning in, and I'll see you all on the next adventure, or maybe I'll have a look at this tent and make a video. Yeah, okay, thanks everybody. Cheers. Bye bye.